Presenting Vivo smartphone no display due to burned FPC connector. The first thing to do is to clean the affected area with sponge cleaner with alcohol solution. Then used a very thin tip blade to grind the broken lines. Apply oily flux to the FPC connector and put a little amount of low-melting solder lead directly to the broken pin of the FPC connector. And continue to grind the broken lines until gold and copper appeared. And when the gold-copper lines are exposed, put a small amount of low-melting solder on each one. And using a very thin copper jumper wire, connect both broken lines to their corresponding connections. Then check the jumpered lines to see if they are connected using a multimeter. And if each line is connected properly, then assemble the phone and turn it on to check if the phone has a display. And as you all can see, the phone is back to normal and can be used again. And I hope you enjoyed watching this content as much as I enjoyed making this video. And if you like watching these kinds of videos, just follow our page so you can always be updated on the videos I upload like this. And this is your servant Euritech at your service, leaving you with great gratitude. Thank you very much for sharing your precious time with me. Until next time, see you in my next videos.